I saw someone ask if we are cooking tonight, and we'll see. So I need an opinion from you guys. I need some help. Because I don't understand boundaries or anything anymore. They're all gone. And so I need some rational people to help me out. At some point, Cooking with Kurt is going to have to come to an end because they're like, we'll run out of videos. And as much fun as it was to rewatch one the other night, like that was an accident. And I don't want to, that was unintentional. And I don't want to do that again. So we're going to run out of Cooking with Kurt videos. And I'm sorry to say that. Like, I don't want to bring that up. It hurts me on the inside. But someone told me to watch one of Kurt's interviews. And I started watching it. And it's the worst interview I may have ever seen. It is so bad and uncomfortable. It's like, that Zach Galifianakis show, Between Two Ferns? It's like awkward and uncomfortable like that, except it's not rehearsed and it's not funny. And holy shit. So I'm wondering if you guys, should we do anatomy of an interview and stuff like that and break down interviews from Kurt? I don't know. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to live anymore. Kate says, which one did you watch? The one with the glarer. It is God, it's acupuncture on your anus uncomfortable. It is so fucking horrifyingly bad. It's bad. Look, 90 seconds into the interview, it's awful. Like, it's flat out fucking terrible 90 seconds in. And some crazy stuff happens in the interview as well. Kurt doesn't disappoint. His content is so good. and I think more people need to see it.
Mr. Rekieta, Aaron has delayed taking responsibility once again, but this abuse of the legal system makes his future look shakier than Kurt trying to wiggle his micro penis.
Pour another gin for the toe.
Yeah. Well, he got his delay. It's now August 5th is the new thing. He's talking about a lawyer working behind the scenes. So I hope he didn't misrepresent to the court about having a lawyer. Like if he is saying he doesn't have a lawyer to the court, but then he does have a lawyer who's working, and then he's going to bring the new lawyer on. He's going to slow walk him on on April 4th, and then say, oh my God, I just retained counsel and now he needs extra time to get up to speed. I hope he's not doing that, because if he did that, that would be a dumb thing to do, especially when you talk about stuff like that in public, which you probably shouldn't do. You probably shouldn't say stuff like that, but hopefully he's not doing that. Hopefully that's all just a misunderstanding, but that's what's going on right now. We'll see. August 5th. Oh, holy crap. It's my anniversary. Hold on. Let me message Lady Raggeds. I think she's asleep, just in case. Goblin Killer Age needs to stop bullying on civil law. Bro, his diet is bullying him way harder than I am. Holy shit. Yeah, 8 grams of salt. 8 grams of salt. Carson Depp says the equivalence of about a 1/4 ounce of Coke, Nick. Thank you for putting that language. I understand. I didn't know at first. Yes, we must do this. We're at 8.4 grams. That's 2.5 8 balls. It's 2.5 8 balls of salt going in the pot right now. People want me to stop doing this. How can I? How can I not watch this? There's other cooking shows on the YouTube. No, there aren't. There aren't. There's nothing like this. Nothing like this exists.
Time for some more seasoning, I think.
Yep. Time for some more seasoning. Yes. Holy shit. Another 4,000 milligrams of sodium. Sauce Mets, there isn't worse isn't worse. This man has passed 2 bar exams. There's nothing like this.